Hello everybody. To somebody new who just stumbled upon this channel, welcome. I just today started a new program for junior and advanced developers who would like to become great programmers. If you're from the Discord, welcome. This video is actually for you. I'm putting together a group of eager students who would like to learn programming under the eye of experienced software developer. I will say, this is supposed to be different to your everyday tutoring, where we meet for an hour or two and do some exercise together. That doesn't work because either I'm doing everything and the student doesn't really learn anything, or the student does a lot and I'm just waiting for him to finish. So either way, our time together isn't really well spent. I'm starting a new series where that dynamic is completely different. You might even say we'll flip it on its head. For start, I'll lay fundamental groundwork, but most importantly, without any common mistakes that are usually taught in schools or internships. This part will probably be different to what you might expect because often elementary programming is taught with a lot of mistakes. We won't be doing those, so it might be different. With that, we'll be solving more and more advanced problems, so you'll learn proper methodologies and everything you need. The series is going to be exercise first. So after each video, you'll receive exercises. You'll have to develop everything yourself, but you will have to submit your results very frequently to me for review, alongside other students who also participate. When it comes to the form of the program, I expect you to spend a few hours a week for a couple of months, but it's up to you how many. If you'd like to spend 1 or 2 hours a week, that's fine. You will receive 1 or 2 updates a week. If you're prepared to spend something like 15 or 20 hours a week, your progress is going to be much quicker, so I'll provide more feedback for you, because you will need a lot more feedback to learn that quickly. It's up to you how many hours you'll spend. Before we move any further, I'd like everybody to go over the welcome channel, take a quick look of what I described here. That's how I would like to run this program. Tell me if what I described here and what I'm offering suits you. If it suits you, welcome, you're on board. If it doesn't, you can still hang out and see what we're doing here, but you don't have any actual obligation to learn anything. This being the first video in the series, I suspect that probably most of you are very eager to start coding and jump to the code and read the lines and run and compile stuff. And I promise I'll get to that as soon as I can, because that's why we're all here. However, we need to clear some obstacles out of our way first. There's too many different myths and bad practices around software engineering, especially for people that are learning, and I would hate to bring that upon you. So this video was just a pilot video. I'm recording it as a benchmark to see how many of the people who joined actually want to participate. I'll post this video in the sessions channel in Discord. If you want to start your journey, how about you react with an eye emote under the link in the Discord so I know you're on board. I'll post the first real video afterwards, targeted at people who actually want to learn, and I'll see you there.